Did you know that this heavy-duty carrying case comes included with every Ultrafeed purchase through Sailrite? Let's walk you through the features. The Ultrafeed Industrial Carrying Case is a durable, reinforced case designed specifically for keeping your Ultrafeed sewing machine safe and sound whether you're storing it or taking it with you on the go. This case features a plywood frame, laminated and durable black melamine. The case is framed with aluminum edges and the corners are reinforced with zinc alloy end caps. There are foam pads inside the lid of the case, specially designed to keep your Ultrafeed protected and supported, allowing you to store the machine on its side or in whatever direction works best for you. The Sailrite logo is printed on the side of the case lid, which not only adds a decorative element, but also lets you know which direction the lid should face. The lid attaches securely to the base with butterfly latches, and it features an industrial-grade spring-loaded handle that makes it easy to carry your Ultrafeed anywhere. The rubber feet on the case bottom keep your machine from sliding and shifting while you work. And the ABS plastic tray provides a surface for sewing that won't chip. The tray top also features pre-cut holes for easy installation of the integrated thread stand and the newly redesigned kickstand. It also features a storage cubby for all your sewing accessories. The case isn't just durable, it's spacious too. The integrated thread stand, the foot control, and the Monster 2 balance wheel with a hand crank installed can all fit nicely inside of the case. Also included is an elastic protector strap that snaps directly onto the case's pre-installed snaps. This strap keeps materials from accidentally getting scuffed or snagged on the latches, allowing you to sew clear vinyl and even the most delicate fabrics worry-free. When you want to transition to a table, this case fits right into Sailrite's collapsible sewing table. If you have one of our other tables, you'll want to make sure you have the easy swap hinge bases so you can quickly and easily transition your machine into a table for a stationary sewing setup with more space for larger projects. We've linked this case in the description below. If you want to see more product demos, helpful hints, and fun DIYs, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.